The 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.